Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. And in this video, I am just going to focus on one stock that is going to give us a really promising movement later today and in the coming days. Okay, so if this is the video you'd like to watch every single day, I do review stocks in the Philippine market, US market, and sometimes cryptocurrency. So I'm inviting you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So let us begin. I already have the stock in front of us. As you notice, this is already the second day that I only focus on one stock to review because the rest of the stocks that we currently have in the market are still on showing us very slow progress. So I just want to focus on a stock that is really promising. And right now you have it in front of you. It's Ali. Ali is one of the stocks in the index, so that's one thing to take note of. We're engaging in a very stable company, um, one of the big players in the country. So and the stock has been badly hit, and for several days or months starting December, the overall sentiment of the stock was really on a decline. However, in today's performance, it was a solid green 5.6% change in just one day worth of performance. Okay, so the reason why I'm finding this setup very attractive is because as you can see right now it's a solid green, and we have somehow started to trigger the break. It's a breakout of the downtrend channel. Okay, so but we have some conditions here to really secure by tomorrow or later today, because time now is 2:45 in the morning. Okay, so this is what we want to happen in order for our analysis to be validated, or yeah, to confirm our insights. So it has to first follow this movement. So we have already started to trigger the MA20 line. So once we officially cross this MA20 line and end perhaps one candlestick higher or above the MA20 level, then that means it's really a confirmed uh, change in direction. However, tomorrow we have to secure the area of yeah 32.04 or 32 area. We have to either bounce in that level or just sustain in that area, because this could potentially be our brand new support. Because a gain of 5.61%, some traders would probably take profit, and then yeah, they would take profit. So fluctuations would be your opportunity to get in. So right now we are already on a daily chart, and the sentiment is, we know that it could potentially go down. The next step you are going to do is you filter this now into a much faster time frame so that you can haggle at a perfect price, probably a few cents. However, if you are already a long-term investor for this stock, doesn't really matter. The area where it is at right now is already very good. So anywhere from 32.04 to 32.95 is already an okay level. Okay, so that's my overall take. Now, if you want to understand the bigger picture or the full potential of the stock, if you're a mid to long term investor, let us say you want to enter at a 32.04, but let's just use this as our support. And let's say you want to exit at this level, then that could give you a potential gain of 31%. However, if you want to understand the big picture, so this is the peak that it once had. But we're not expecting for this stock to really go to this level outright, because as our situation right now is very unstable. So even if you just want to aim for this level 18%, that is already a very good area to take profit. Not every day you will get an 18% in the market, or you go 30%, then your call. What's important here is that we have identified a possible area of support, which is around the 32.04, and we could potentially see now this time around a change in direction to the upside. Okay, so I think that is my very quick insight for Ali. Looking forward to this change in the coming days. Yesterday I talked about ASEN, and true enough, my insights were correct, and it has given us another green today. So hopefully we will have a more. This can be sustained in the coming days. But just to simply look back and validate our insight, yes, we were correct yesterday. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. If you want your song to be reviewed, go ahead and comment down below so I can prioritize your stock in the next video. But for now, I just didn't focus too much on the other stocks because, as you can see, most of them are red and some greens, but I still don't see that as very. This one is attractive too, but I just want to pick one stock this time for now, and that is Ali. I like Ali because so far this is already a very good setup that I can see. Okay, um, thank you guys for watching, and bye bye for now.